Maisha Bora. Maisha Bora is a village in central Kenya. It is in the eastern province of the country and is a subset of the town Isiolo in this division. There are 1,500 inhabitants who speak the Turkana language and, predominantly, share Somalian heritage and the Muslim religion. The main form of employment is slaughterhouse work, with rope making and bread baking. There is currently a single-room nursery hut within the community, but no school. Children who do attend school are generally earning an income from a young age. Combined with a small average income of residents, the poor access to education has led to the low levels of literacy and school completion rates today. A local stream provides water for washing and drinking, though it is not piped, and electricity and formal sanitation systems are also not present in the community. The rates of HIV/AIDS have been affected by the high level of truck traffic passing through Isiolo, which has fueled the sex trade regionally. Category: populated places in Eastern Province, Kenya. Category: Isiolo County.